Have you tasted agege French toast before? It's absolutely delicious. The whole family loves it. Let me walk you through how you can make yours. In a bowl, I cracked 3 eggs. I added a little bit of milk and I had a little bit of black pepper and a little bit of salt to taste and some nutmeg. If you don't want nutmeg, you can replace with cinnamon, but it's better with nutmeg, alright? It tastes really good with nutmeg. And I added a little bit of chili pepper. That is optional. If you don't want that, you can skip it. Once you add all the ingredients, go ahead and whisk it together until they are well combined and set it aside. This is the star ingredient of this recipe, agege bread. Just go ahead and cut the bread into any shape of your choice. The amount of bread that you are going to cut or you are going to use depend on the amount of your family, alright? For me, I don't have a large family. I just cut about 2 or 3 slices. Once you are done with the bread, go ahead and set it aside. Place a fry pan on a medium to low heat. Go ahead and add some butter to it and allow to heat up slightly. Back to the egg mixture, all you need to do is take the bread one after the other, coat it with the egg very well and then you put it in your fry pan. Once you coat the bread with the egg very well, you can allow the bread to sit in the egg for about a minute or two, but personally I don't like that method, alright? I just make sure that I coat the bread with the egg very well and then I put it in my fry pan instantly, alright? All you need to do is to repeat the same process till you are done with all the bread. Once you are done, allow it to brown on a medium to low heat. This side is perfectly brown. I'm going to go ahead flip to the other side. All I'm going to be doing is to flip it until they are perfectly brown, alright? And this is another beautiful way you can enjoy your agege bread. Don't tell me because you don't have toast bread you cannot make a French toast, alright? Make use of whatever you have and trust me, it tastes absolutely delicious. You guys know how delicious agege bread it is. You guys, it's absolutely delicious. You need to go and give it a try. This one is perfectly brown. I just go ahead, take it off the heat and set it aside. You can pair your agege French toast with a cup of coffee, a cup of tea, a cup of hot chocolate, green tea, name it. You can even have it with some cucumber or fruits. You guys, it tastes absolutely delicious. On this particular day, I added a little bit of strawberry syrup to it, and you guys, it makes it absolutely delicious. That is optional. If you don't want, just skip it, alright? And I hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thank you so much for the love and support. I truly appreciate you guys. Bye.